How do I change an oven bulb? First, make sure the oven is switched off and completely cold before you start. The bulb will be located under a cover, which will need removing first. Release the clip on the cover and remove the bulb using a small towel to protect your hand. The new bulb can be inserted into position using the towel before clipping the cover back on. Some ovens have cavity lights located on the side of the oven. These are replaced in a similar way. The cover should be unclipped and the bulb removed. Be aware that different types of bulbs are removed and replaced in different ways. When finished, clip the cover back into position securely. The oven can then be switched back on and is ready for use. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.